Alright YouTube, I just got my shoes in the mail. And these are the ones that I've been waiting for all week since Halloween because they released on Halloween. It's the Ghostbusters Ghost Smashers. I'll just do it like this. Oh man. Can you see it already? This is how it ends. So take these out carefully. Oh man, I can't believe I got me a pair. These things were like sold out so quick. I had to keep hitting refresh for like, I think 27 minutes. Because they released at 11 o'clock here in Texas. And I couldn't get a pair until 11:27. I kept hitting refresh. I'll see my size. I'll hit the purchase, add to the cart. Nothing. It'll just keep coming up with errors and errors and errors. And after reading some of the reviews, I seen that people have something called bots. That's pretty messed up for people to do something like that. But let me see. This is not my size, but I bought it anyway because I wanted a pair. Oh man, look at that. Even the wrapping paper's got detail on it. So I guess they let me move the box out the way. I'll show you the box in a little bit. What y'all want to see first, the shoes or the box? I'll show y'all the box first. Alright, look at that. Oh yeah. So it looks like someone took it looks like the original what is it, Instant Pump, not the Instant Pump, the pump box, and it looked like someone took a spray cans and stencils. So look at that. So right here it says, oh yeah, less talk, more busting. And behind the Ghostbuster logo, you can see the pump in the back. But these shoes are not, they don't have the pump mechanism thing or whatever. They don't have it. But they still came in a pump box, which is cool. It says, disclaimer, Ghost Smashers do not pump, they smash. And that's so right. See that? Disclaimer, Ghost Smashers do not pump, they smash. So these don't have the pump in them. And look at the bottom of the box. It got Reebok Ghostbuster Columbia Pictures. But let's get to the shoes. The money shot. Here go the shoes. Because I'm going to try to put everything back the way it came. So I don't want to mess anything up. I wonder how many pairs they made all together from size whatever all the way to 15 or whatever it is they make. If anybody has a clue, put a comment of how many pairs y'all think they make all together. It's got to be more than hundreds, huh? I would say in the thousands maybe. Oh man, these are sick. Alright, these do have a like a weathered look to them, like if they've been worn. You like that? You like that? Look at that. Oh man. These are awesome. That might be an issue where you're walking and you're wearing this and these might keep coming off for any reason. Man, even the bottom looks weathered. Everything here on this shoe looks like it's been worn. It is new though. And then they got, you know what I'm saying, like this vintage weathered look. Like the outsole looks dirty, but it's not dirty. I don't think people at Reebok put on every single pair and went and played basketball outside or something just to give it this look. Let's see what it says inside. It has the Ghostbusters logo inside. See that? They got the Ghostbusters logo inside. And the other one, same thing. Ghostbusters logo inside. I got the tag on the inside. Some people like to see the tag. I don't know. Let me show you some stuff. So on the medial side, this one has these gauges here, or whatever it could be. Don't go attacking me because I don't know what I'm talking about. But that one has that, and it has this, whatever that is. On the lateral side, these have this, these little vectors here. on the lateral side. So this one got more than the other one, because this one got that and this, and this one the same exact shoe. Oh, actually not really. On the medial side, the shoe that don't have the gauges has this. So they say you could remove these little pump things by sliding up, something like that. Yeah. So how would you wear it? Leave a comment. Would you rock these like that? They still look clean like that. Me, I would wear them with the pump. Would you rock them like that? Like that? Or would you rock them like this? I would definitely rock them with the pump in the back. It's a Reebok pump. I'm not even going to try to take it apart because I don't think you could take it apart. Say Insta Pump on it. You know what I mean? So that's that. On these little colored strips, only the red one shows that it has some writing on it, and it says slow blow and a couple of the numbers on it. So maybe one of you guys can pause it and read them. I think it says 89.11020.xxx or something like that. Oh, actually it shows more numbers. But yeah, again, these things are real flimsy, like to knock off from here. So if you're gonna wear these with the pump thing on, man, keep looking back at your shoes. You might lose one of these. Let me show you something else. This is on the left shoe. It says, "We're ready to believe you. Dial 555-2368." And in the very tiny little letters, what does it say? Our courteous staff is on call 24 hours a day to serve all your supernatural elimination needs. Nice. No, there's no laces on these shoes. Just this elastic bridge here. You got Reebok right there. Nothing on the inside. Nothing on this inside. I think that's it for these shoes. Let me see what the other ones say on the arc strap. Nothing. So this one don't say nothing on the arc strap. Say anything on the ankle strap. No, nothing on the back side. Nothing. That's it. That's everything. The back of the tongues, if you guys want to look at them, they got like this little spongy exposed right here on the outside. Man, these are nice. Anything else to show you guys? I don't think so. I think that's everything on these shoes. I showed you the box. I showed you the kicks. What you wear them with or without the pump. So this here's the Reebok. Got the logo on the tongue. It say Reebok on the strap. It looks like it's been crossed out right here with, like I said, graffiti paint or whatever it is. I'm gonna have fun wearing these. I don't care what people say. Some people might call them Halloween shoes or prop shoes, dress up shoes, whatever. Man, bro, I'll wear these anywhere. I don't care where I'm at. I'm gonna wear these. Alright, man, so again, there's that. And there we go, Ghostbusters, Ghost Smashers. So I kind of want to show you guys like the whole entire paper as well. Like I said, just to show you guys like little details that I couldn't pick up while the camera was on tripod. But the rest of this stuff pretty good. I can't understand none of this stuff. I don't know what kind of characters these are, but they're not for me to understand. I know that much. Alright, guys.